Footprints in the sand so bare, where the sun and water meet. Heartbeat like the